Welcome to Homie's Quiz. Today, we're learning numbers from 1 to 10. Before we start, read these rules. 1. O-N-E. An apple. 1 apple. 2. T-W-O. Flowers. 2 flowers. 3. T-H-R-E-E. Fish. 3 fish. 4. F-O-U-R. Jellyfish. 4 jellyfish. 5. F-I-V-E. 5 Christmas trees. 6. S-I-X. 6 candies. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7 vases. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8 eggs. 9. N-I-N-E. 9 pears. 10. T-E-N. 10 circles. It's a challenge time. Can you count the objects and guess the right number? Look carefully, count slowly, and say your answer out loud. Count quickly. 3 lollipops. Count quickly. 4 puppies. Count quickly. 2 bells. Count quickly. 9 hands. Count quickly. 1 pot. Count quickly. 10 people. Count quickly. 8 cars. Count quickly. 5 oranges. Count quickly. 7 trees. Count quickly. 6 strawberries. Great job, friends! Don't forget to come back to Homie's Quiz for more fun learning. Like and subscribe.